Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will show how to make caramel almonds. First, gather your ingredients: 2 cups of whole almonds, 1 cup of granulated sugar, and 1/4 cup of water. You'll also need 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Before you begin cooking, line a baking sheet with parchment paper or a silicone mat. This will be crucial for cooling your delicious caramel almonds later. Now, let's make the caramel. In a medium saucepan, combine the 1 cup of sugar and 1/4 cup of water. Stir this mixture over medium heat until all the sugar crystals have dissolved. Once dissolved, stop stirring. Allow the syrup to cook undisturbed until it transforms into a beautiful, deep amber color. This usually takes about 10 to 12 minutes, so keep a close eye on it. Once your caramel reaches that perfect amber hue, immediately remove it from the heat. Quickly add your 2 cups of almonds, 2 tablespoons of butter, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt to the hot caramel. Stir vigorously and continuously with a heat-resistant spatula or spoon. Ensure every single almond is thoroughly coated in the glistening caramel. Work quickly, as the caramel will begin to set. After coating, spread the caramel almonds in a single layer onto your prepared baking sheet. Make sure they are not clumped together too much. Let them cool completely and undisturbed for at least 30 minutes, or until they are firm and brittle. Once fully cooled, you can easily break the large cluster into individual, bite-sized pieces. Check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals to enhance your home experience. Enjoy your homemade, crunchy caramel almonds.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.